Hello everyone and welcome to my video today. My name is Jamal and today I'm going to show you how I created these proof of concept designs using my favorite artificial intelligence tool and how I used this template to create this dashboard. It's very simple to use, so if you're still interested, then continue watching. Let's get to work. So the first thing I'm doing here right now is I am drafting a prompt just by using a few words, and I am telling MidJourney to design me a dashboard for a university, and I want it in specific colors. To get the best out of MidJourney, you need to learn and understand parameters. The parameters generally go at the end of the prompt and it starts off with dash dash. In this case, the AR I'm using here stands for aspect ratio. The stylized number is up to 1,000 and it means how creative you want the AI to think. Q stands for quality, 1 is the highest quality, and the most important parameter is the V, which stands for version. Now I'm using the version 5 here, and choosing the correct version is very important as it can result in a day and night difference. Once it's fully loaded, it will throw you 4 different images. You have a few options now. You can upscale an image, or you can get more variations of an image that you like. This is what the U and V stands for. So I like the first and the third pictures, and I want to see more variation on those. This is very interesting. The picture of a building here gives me the idea that I can possibly use pictures of different departments, buildings, or other universities on my dashboard, and the picture changes in accordance to the filter that is selected, and that is totally possible on Power BI. I'm going to upscale now to see a full quality of this image. I kind of like this design, but I think something is missing. So I'm going to create a new prompt with more information, and I will copy the seed number and use it on my parameter. What this does is the AI will generate a new set of images using my prompt, and it will use the variations of the seed number that I have provided. So it's a bit like cooking a different cuisine but using the same spices. These are the main elements of MidJourney. If you have any questions, or if you would like me to be involved in any of the projects in developing dashboards for your organization, feel free to get in touch with me. Thanks for watching my video and stay tuned for more.